Hi, good evening. My name is Nizamuddin Amirali, and welcome to my Tech Vids. Now, today's topic is going to be finding the control panel, which I've had a hard time looking, just going around the desktop and menus and so on. Just where is this control panel? And sometimes I would look. Well, let's jump right into the video, and I'll show you what I mean. So here I am on my desktop, and first thing you might want to look at is the start menu. So you go open up the start menu and you look up and down the menus, the whatever's in the menus there, and maybe control panel for C. Is it in there? No, it's not there. So what are maybe let's find two quick and easy ways we can find the control panel, and it's actually not the same thing as the settings. Settings is completely different. If you go to the right, you'll see the settings right in this corner here with all settings available. But settings also from the far left side. You can click on this little icon here for settings on the bottom left where it says settings. But let me get back to the point is how do you find the control panel, because it doesn't seem to be there. So what you can do, go down to this menu at the bottom left where this bar is, and you're going to type in control panel. And you can see it just pops up right there. And when you click on it, they found the best match. So they found the control panel. So this is it. This is the original control panel that comes with Windows. So let me close it out. I'll show you another technique you can use. If you do go back to the far bottom right corner, you open it here and click all settings. And when that comes up, you'll see this gear icon, which is set for settings. But when it loads, you'll see this is the menu for Windows settings. If you type in for find a setting right here, you type in control panel and you click enter, it's going to show you the control panel. There's the second one, third one, and down over here. So you click on that, and there it pops up there again. That's your control panel. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, I hope you'd subscribe and leave a comment down below, or I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great one.